Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Every time I film I get so out of breath. Just when I talk I don't, breathe. As you can see by the title, I am doing a Public Desire shoe haul. Normally just, clothing hauls on this channel with an occasional shoe chucked in there. But I thought I'd do like an actual dedicated shoe haul because you can't even see the full pile, like there's so much. Public Desire has actually, there we go, alright. I'm such a bad YouTuber, come on. Public Desire have actually sent me some shoes. Funny story actually, there was a bit of a mess up. Normally when I do a collaboration with a Public Desire, they are super generous and they send me like 3 pairs of shoes for a TikTok, but something messed up and then I didn't get sent them. Then I randomly got 2 pairs and then the other day I got randomly sent another pair and it was all just so weird. Bearing in mind the order was placed in January. Made new selects, so now I've got all these shoes, which is amazing. So thank you so much Public Desire. So if you want to see, a lovely shoe haul, keep on watching. I will be honest, I won't be trying these on just because you don't want to see my feet. My feet are cute, but like at the same time, there's weirdos in here. So I will just insert pictures, etc. I've got my scissors at ready because I haven't actually fully opened them because I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm never prepared for anything. I grabbed these PU shiny blue heels because I'm loving blue. If you couldn't tell, the jumper I am portraying for this video is blue. And I did originally want these because obviously the collab was meant to be in January for a bag I had received, but I've now sold that, so that's great. But I am receiving a different bag that is this colour, I think. So hopefully they'll match with them. They're super comfortable to walk in. I never have a problem with them. I find the fit is true to size as well, but they do have a wide fit section, if not. Would you still call this a stiletto? Although it's like, not, I don't know. Then it's got some silver detailing and it is, of course, a lace up. Lace up heels are just my favourite. I always gravitate towards a lace up and a square toe as well. You'll see that a lot. I only ever go for square toe. These are really, really nice, as you can see, very nice. I literally can't remember what's what, so we're just kind of pulling the shoes out and just seeing what we receive. Okay, I'm so excited for these ones. These, I feel like, are a shoe that are gonna be in my wardrobe forever. I feel like it's just timeless. What? Yeah, they really did that. It may look like it's sequins, but it's actually like individual diamantes. You're just amazing, aren't you? You're just amazing. I just have no words to describe you. You're just amazing. Imagine having such a basic dress, but then putting these on would just jazz it up completely. So it's got a pointed toe, stiletto, it is a zip up the sides. These are comfortable to walk in, of course, and they're different because you could just have a plain black, but why would you when there's an option of a diamante? I love it, and I love that the diamantes are black with the black material. I just feel like it looks more classy and put together, whereas if it was like silver diamantes, I feel like that would look a bit tacky. But I feel like with a blazer or maybe a dress. Next boot. Right, I love everything different, like why be boring? So I got a green boot. Not as wearable as your typical boot, but I love pops of colour in outfits and I love matching shoes to my bags and stuff. I do have a green bag, but no, they're different shades of green, which is sad, but that's fine. I think green with black looks amazing together. As I said, a blazer dress. White also looks good. If you had a green bag that matches, and it's weird because it's kind of like a cushion material. You can't really see, but it's really like nice. The heels are of course very sturdy as well. Like I'm twisting, I'm pushing, and nothing's happening. Just, little brown sole. I am touching the shoes by the bottom, by the way, because I haven't worn them. Like if I had worn these outside, of course I'm not going to be like touching at the bottoms because that is very unhygienic. These do also come obviously as a pair, but I'm just showing you one because what's the point in getting both out? I don't know, you don't care. That's stating the obvious. Okay, this is very similar to both pairs I just showed you. If you want a in between of them two, then go for this bad boy. See, the thing is, I chose them first, but obviously they got like messed up in the order. So then I forgot what I actually chose. And then I chose these the second time around because I forgot I picked them. And I was like, okay, Oh well, 2 green boots, but they're different because this has diamantes on them. I like how the diamantes coordinate with the actual colour and it's not just like silver or any other colour I like, but it looks so luxe, just so luxe, and it's such good quality. Like, it's amazing. I wish you could feel how great they are. Again, a bit more out there with the diamantes. If you don't like diamantes, then you can of course go for the plain boot. I love mixing colours together. I feel like green and pink looks amazing together. So if you wore a little pink dress with a green bag, green shoes, that would look lovely. I don't think they've got any more colours of the boots. I do just think it comes in a black and in the green, but I feel like maybe a white boot would look great, or like a silver one or a pink one. They should just bring this boot out in every colour, because who doesn't love a diamante? I love a diamante. We all love a diamante. I've wanted these for so long, and they've been out of stock for so long, and they've just come back into stock, and I was shook, and I just jumped at it. What am I going to style it with? I'm not 100% sure. I don't actually know myself, but that's okay, I guess. It is a very you either love it or hate it type thing. I'll just undo it while I'm talking to you. But I personally love them, and they do come in like a teal greeny colour, which I thought would be amazing for like a Halloween costume. But you know what, I'll just show you these because I love them. Would I ever wear them out? Probably not. As like dress up or like a costume, yeah, very well. She is thick, platform thick, heel thick. I mean, comfortable to walk in because it's got so much like stability. It's not a thin little heel and a platform, it's like 2. Adds inches to you, okay? I'm 5 foot, this is gonna make me about 5'5". Not that much, maybe 5'3" at push. But I just love them. I like the little thingy here and the strap. I really like them, and I've liked them for so long and I don't know why. I like the gold as well, the gold bag. Imagine doing like, you went to a party or somewhere that had a theme, like a goddess theme. Stop it. Stop it. I don't know what I'm going to style them with. I'll find something, it's fine. Okay, next shoe. I normally go for stiletto, like all the time. I can walk in heels. Let me just show you the heel. Here we go, here's the heel. I can walk in heels, yeah. But sometimes they just hurt your feet, and I feel like it's because the surface area of a stiletto is just not it. So why not go for a little block? It is more of a thin block. Also with public design shoes, it has like a little cushion. So it's really comfortable on the feet. I mean, toes don't have that, that's fine. I really liked this chain gold detailing because, again, if you was wearing gold jewellery or you have gold detailing on a bag, it really complements it as well. Black heels are just timeless. You need them in your wardrobe. I love the look of the over-the-toe heels. Practical? No, they kill my toes. So I like ones that are like an open. So it's just a big strap over your toe, which I find them more comfortable. Strap doesn't feel cheap or anything, and it's like a very shiny PU material. This will go with anything, jeans, skirts, dresses, blazer dresses, everything, because obviously it is just a black heel. I thought these were really cute, and they're effortless, but they look expensive because of the gold detailing. I don't know, I just really liked them. Now for our last shoe, a lace up, and it's pink. I love pink. I don't really wear pink that much, and I claim it's my favourite colour. I got these because I have a pink bag there, and at the bottom, but I have a pink bag there. I thought these would look great with. Imagine with like a white corset top or a bodysuit with blue jeans and pink heels and a pink bag. I just think that is so cute for like drinks or a date or something. Not like I ever wear heels on dates. I've only ever been on a date with one person, but every time I've been out of them, I've never worn heels. So I'm really liking this block heel thing. Very comfortable, cushioned. I also think this would look nice when you wear jeans and then you lace it up the jeans, because obviously, like if you're wearing jeans, you're not going to see the lace up, but if you actually tie it around the bottom of your jeans, I really like that look. And especially if the jeans are too long, this adjusts for you. So that's amazing. If you like shoe hauls, then do let me know, I'll do more. I mean, it probably wasn't even that good. I literally just rushed through that so quickly. It's okay, it really doesn't matter. I will be styling these on my TikTok, so if you want to see them like actually styled, let me know your favourite pair of shoes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.